Dua to recite between two prostrations or sujood in prayer. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say between the two sujood in the prayer, Allahumma gfirli warhamni wa'afini wahdini warzuqni. O Allah, forgive me and have mercy on me and heal me and guide me and provide rizq for me. After first sujood in salah, raise your head and recite this dua and then go for second sujood. Sunan Abu Dawud, Hasan.